Welcome to our channel. Are you passionate about sharing news but camera shy? Do you want to create engaging news content without showing your face? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a free faceless news channel using Vidnoz. Let's get started. The first step in creating a news channel is having reliable sources. I recommend bookmarking websites like Reuters, BBC, CNN, and AP News. These sites provide up-to-date and accurate news. For example, you can visit Reuters to get a variety of news articles. Keep these sites handy for quick access to the latest stories. Now that you have your sources, let's find some news stories. Use Google News to see what's trending. Focus on different categories such as world news, technology, and entertainment to appeal to a broader audience. Collect a few stories that you find interesting and think your audience will too. Next, let's move on to Vidnoz. If you don't have an account yet, go to Vidnoz and sign up for free. Vidnoz allows you to create faceless videos with voiceovers and visual elements. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the interface. It's user-friendly and packed with features to help you create professional videos. To begin creating your first video, start by uploading your script to Vidnoz. This will serve as the foundation of your project, guiding the flow and content of your video. Next, choose a voiceover option that best suits your style and the tone of your video. Vidnoz offers a variety of voices to pick from, ensuring you find the perfect match to narrate your story. After selecting the voiceover, enhance your video by adding background music. Choose a track that complements your content and makes your video more engaging for the audience. To further enrich your video, include relevant images and video clips that visually represent your story and reinforce your message. Once you've added all the necessary elements, preview your video to see how everything comes together. This step allows you to make any final adjustments and ensure your video looks polished and professional. With Vidnoz, creating a captivating video is a straightforward and enjoyable process. Editing is essential to make your video stand out. Use Vidnoz editing tools to add captions, transitions, and effects. Ensure that your video is smooth and professional. Little tweaks can make a big difference in the overall quality. Finally, let's upload your video to YouTube. If you don't have a channel, set one up. It's quick and easy. Upload your video and add a catchy title, detailed description, and relevant tags to help it reach a wider audience. Don't forget to use an eye-catching thumbnail. That's it for today's tutorial on creating a free faceless news channel using Vidnoz. I hope you found this video helpful and are excited to create your own news content. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.